The effects of divorce in children. If parents divorce, number one, you have to know, and I want to notify you that if your parents divorce, it's not your what? Your fault. You never do anything that will make your parents divorce. Never ever. Let people not lie to you. When your parents were getting married, were you there? Huh? You were there. And if you're there, did you help your father to court your mother? Are you helping her? You tell her, go tell that woman, blah, blah, blah. Are you there? You did not even know. So why do people say, oh, children are the reasons why this family has divorced? Why? No. These are two adults. Your parents are two adults who have made their own decisions. And decisions that your parents, they're decisions that you, for example, it's just like saying if you're not paid for school fees, it's your fault. It's not. It's not your fault. When you're bringing up a child, as in when you're giving birth to a child, you should be able to know that you're going to take care of that child. You're able to fully pay for their school fees in that particular school that they go, and you feed them. So, in the same way, if your parents divorce, it's not what? It's not your fault. If they divorced, accept it. They will not fight. So you have to work hard. That's why we urge you to work hard. Effects of divorce is loss of parental love. Now, because both of them have divorced, most of them, they even have anger. It can lead to drug abuse, especially for the children, because now they have the trauma, and they miss their parents to love them and to take care of them. They also, like, for example, you have a discipline case and your parents have divorced, it can affect you because you're told, go bring your father, and you can't bring, they're already separated. Or you tell them to come to school and both of them keep on bickering. You should go. You see, it will piss you off. It can lead also to school dropout, especially where one parent is the breadwinner and they divorce. And this one parent refuses to pay the school fees. It leads to diseases, and it's usually a challenge, especially when I'm a teacher and I know you. That's why nowadays I don't like knowing your parents, what your parents are. That's why I keep on telling you, don't tell teachers about your folks. Because I knew one of my students, I was still teaching these topics, and I know the parents have divorced, and I know they have these challenges, and I know how it is affecting. So I stopped talking about it. I just skipped this topic because it would be traumatizing. I remember. So another effect of divorce is that it can lead to child labor, because if now the parents have divorced and they cannot provide for you, you need to get out of school and go work, and you're young. It can lead to diseases or death. It can lead to death. When can it lead to death? Divorce. Or if the child is not taken care of by the parents. If you're not taken care by your parents and they've already divorced, and they don't, at the end of the day, they don't care about you, and maybe you get into that drug abuse, at the end of the day, you kill yourself with what? With the drugs. From there, we